Okay, I'm going to take a break from this. So I had this line, you know, it's beautiful, perfect. Every curve is exactly what I needed. You know, crimp this end, came out perfect. The stupid vise, because our jaws are broken in our vise and they like to come out, slipped, and the crimp machine went with it, and it fucked my crimp up. Not crimp. I don't know why I'm calling it crimp. Flare. It messed up my flare, and yeah, I have to try to recreate this. Not fun. Not fun. Perfect. Literally perfect. Goes in there, goes in there. Perfect. I hate cars. I hate our Vice too. Or somewhere over there.